our patch behind the farmhouse, where the pace of life is slow, and the lilies on the lake are broad and lush. We're all living here in clover, and the mating season's over, so there won't be cause for anyone to blush. In our land both green and pleasant, every bantam, duck, and pheasant, if they had them, would be walking arm in arm. For our life is good and steady till we're plucked and oven ready. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a turkey with a gobble, watch his waddle start to wobble when the rooster cock-doodles the alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, what the dickens? It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. What a gorgeous vision this is. It's Ida, she's my missus. So forgive me if I'm laying on the smarm. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers. In our dockyard of free rangers, it's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Here where waterfowl have waddled, little chicks get mollycoddled, for the cat would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get to flurry.
It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Ha! How they flatter themselves. I never show much interest in this group. I admit I'm quite glutton, but this feathered form of mutton wouldn't even make a palatable soup. But when those little ducklings hatch, that's a flavor you won't match. They're delicious and I just can't get enough. As a felon who is feline, you'll see me make a feline for those tender little juicy balls of fluff.
In our waterfowl regatta, there's a moorhen fond of chatter and a mandarin with oriental charm. You'll find every goose or gander,
Though of course I'm rather grander.
it's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. We may strike some classic poses, and we all have parsons' noses, but that doesn't mean you'll hear a single song. For all reverence is rejected, blatant foul play is